Alright, veterans. So it's the VAT team here, and we're back with another analysis on today, on 19th, I believe, of yeah February. So, guys, here we this is a booster account, which is currently empty now. So we use it for analysis and everything. So anyway, guys, Mm, let's see the V75 market, like what's happening. Okay, let's go a bit of a review on yesterday's analysis. A bit of review. I will do a bit of review because some people, yeah. So yesterday you said that mm, that will okay. Let me throw exactly what I said. Like you should enter on the pullback, guys. You should enter the trades on the pullback. So you're supposed to enter somewhere here, like I told you, above the rectangle. So this was here. I told you, if the market breaks above the rectangle, you should buy. So the market didn't. So because when I was doing analysis, the price was exactly at this point. So it broke below, and they said wait for a black at this level, a black below this level, and retest. Then you can look for sell, but the black at this level. So if you had a buy stop here, it was not triggered, and if you had a sell stop somewhere here, maybe waiting for a retest, it was not confirmed. So we are still in between. So our analysis was not wrong, and it was not wrong, and it was not triggered. So anyone didn't lose anything using our analysis. Another day our analysis was very neutral. Like, yeah, it was neutral, I can say that. It was not wrong, and it was not confirmed the way we wanted it to, but we have another pattern here. So let's see today what's happening, because what I see here, we have a clear level of support and resistance. This is a clear level. This is one major support and resistance level, I think. Yeah. Yes, it is, because it can be tested once. Yeah, the second time by week. Here we have a body test. We have a body test. Like, oh, this is a major one. So anyway, guys, what is happening now? What's happening now? Because when you use 4 hour, you might get late entries, and you might, unless you have. I told you, yeah, I told you guys in the form of video, unless you have a 10k account or 20k USD dollar account, then you can use the 4 hour, but and the daily and the weekly charts and everything. But just use the 1 hour, the 30 minutes for analysis, especially the 1 hour. It's quite good to analyze on the 1 hour or the 30 minutes. Not bad. Like, guys, if you watch my past videos, you know, like, the pattern here. What's the pattern here? You clearly know what's the pattern here, because I talk about it very much. We have oopsie, we have an ascending triangle, guys. We have an ascending triangle. I always tell you to put the support and resistance line on the body. So we have an ascending triangle, which this trend line be tested by a week, by a body, and I told you to put the trend line on the body, not on the week, guys, not on the week, on the body. And recent body matters more than the past. The recent data matters more than the past data. So don't go and put your, guys, listen to this carefully. Don't go and put your line here because of this body here, because of this body here. So don't. So just go and place your line on the. Okay, I'm quite trying to extend this line on the body of the recent here. Like, we closed, we overdid it. Like, okay, let me remove this. Okay, here, perfect. Okay, now we have an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle usually marks for a continuation of a trend, or can mark clearly can mark a reversal. Most of it is they are reversal patterns, most of them. Anyway, we expect a break above or a break below. So we expect a break on both sides. So when there is a break above, wait for a retest, guys. When there's a break above this level, wait for a retest on this line. Don't just buy. I know many use price action to buy just after a break they buy. No, don't. Wait for a break and then a retest. Okay, let me rotate the screen. I will show you guys with the lines. Okay. Okay, I'll use the 15 minutes now, like to show you guys everything. To show you guys everything, I'll use that. If there's a break above, if there's a break above, I mean, if there's a break, oopsie. Oh, we went to, okay, let's 30 minutes. Yeah, now I want to draw something, so let me rotate it. Okay, no, it won't come down. Like I need it to come somewhere where I can draw. Okay, I can draw light below. Let's get to the 1 hour. I can show you guys because when people ask, okay, what's the retest and everything. So if there's a break below, like a break below, guys, you will wait for a retest. I'm showing this as an example, guys. So not that there will be break below, we expect black on both sides. There's always wait for a retest, then after a retest now you can enter the trade. Like you can enter the a retest, not a pullback. A retest has to be on this trend line, either a wake bounce or a body bounce, but it has to be on this line. Now when I say on this line, some people might wait for it to get exactly to that line, and a few pips above or a few pips below this line still applies, guys, still applies. So wait for a retest, then you can enter. The same goes with the break above. If there's a break above, wait for a retest to this line here, if we burn out the support, and then wait for a buy. Now for entries in a buy, don't just go like, okay, let me show you how it bounces. This is a bounce on that trend line, like on this trend line, the bounce on this line. Okay, so you wait for okay, in case there's a black below, we use this as an example. Like there'll be a bounce, a retest is a bounce. Okay, there'll be a retest on this line, they'll both wait for a bearish candle. If wait for a bearish candle, then buy exactly below the bearish candle. Sorry, sell below exactly below the bearish candle. Don't sell immediately after bounce back and then sell it. No, you can use the 30 minutes for your entry, guys. You can, so you don't have to wait for that long time. Like here for that bounce, you could have bought here, you sold it, could have take a sell here, and then you could have been. Now I'm just using this as an example. If it happens a retest, and this is not a retest, like some say, okay, there's a break below, this is a retest. No, guys, this is just a bounce back. Remember, this is a this line is an area. It's not, the price doesn't have to bounce necessarily like here in this thing, because even this, it went down below. So all this few pips above, few pips below this line is an area where marks are bounce back. So don't say that is a retest. Like don't use that. And that's why I like the 1 hour, guys. If you use the 1 hour to do analysis, wait for a retest in the 1 hour. If you use the 30 minutes to do analysis, wait for a retest in 30 minutes and everything. Don't mix your time frame and everything in one. Like use a different time frame for analysis and a different time frame for you to check if there will be a bounce back. You already did analysis, like here there will be a retest on now daily on our 1 hour time frame. Don't go and check the bounce back on a 15. Like, okay, let me check the bounce back on the exact same time frame you used. So guys, here, in case there's a break below and in case there's a break above, the same thing will apply. Like wait for a retest. So we have an ascending triangle, usually marks continuation of a trend, can be a reverse so of a trend. Anyway, you guys, you have that, like you have that. Okay, if there's a break above, you wait for a retest too, and everything. I already explained this, I don't need to draw. If there's a break above, you wait for a retest here, and then you buy. Okay guys, that's it on the analysis, so good luck on watching the video.